the talk show. Today's first topic is, should girls be allowed to play sports? Girls, go.
Totally. Yes, they should, because boys have no talent, and girls are way more better.
And they're athletic.
Yeah, they jump. They have.
Yeah, no.
It's like that's
the opposite. Opposite. No. Break it up. Sit down. You sit down.
I just like sit down. Stupid.
There is. You guys, tell your case. State your case.
Shouldn't be allowed to play sports. They're retarded. They're terrible. They're dumb.
Absolutely not.
No agility. No power.
It doesn't work out, you guys. So.
It just doesn't. Just
don't play sports. Well, then why don't you get out of the show?
Oh, God,
yeah. What's good for you is putting on makeup.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
No.
That's good for you. It's going gangster.
Break it up. Sit down.
Football.
Get up.
Girls are gonna get it.
Okay, guys, sit down.
That's gonna kill you.
Okay, our second topic. Who takes longer on dates? Guys or girls? Guys, go.
Girls.
Yep.
Totally.
But
Just no arguments.
I need to put on my makeup. I need to put on my dress. I need to put on everything. I need to put in my hair in fun.
Tell what happened to your girlfriend.
Well, she came to my house once, and we were gonna have a date. So she said she needs to get ready. 1 minute, please. Guess what? 2 hours later, I'm back. Oh my God, it's terrible.
Dude, it's horrible.
Girls are
Just
That's
so
because
dumb.
you think stupid girls.
Yeah,
that's just stupid.
No,
stupid.
no, you're stupid.
Okay, guys, break it up. No, put that back down. Okay, girls, after, sit down. Now, girls, you state your case. You girls, state your case.
Boys are they're just retarded. They are. They have a tie. They're like, how do I put this on? Like,
That's because they want to look good for the girls. They don't look like slobs.
Like you
you
guys.
guys look right now. That's it. You guys so dead.
Hey, stop it. Put that back
Do
down.
something about it, pretty boy.
No, kids, put it back down, okay? Get out of there. Jesus. Get out of my foot. Sit down. Okay, guys, the final topic for today is, should girls be allowed to join the army? Guys, go.
No. No, it's a no-go.
they'll just start right away. Just
No kidding. I need to put my makeup then. They'll get shot in the head.
of it.
Yeah.
Right in the middle, boys.
Right in the middle.
The moms are not expecting them to come home because they're probably going to be putting on makeup and getting shot.
Exactly.
Exactly. Oh my God,
I don't think so.
You guys are just...
Okay, guys, break it up. Break it up. Sit down. Girls, take your place. Guys, girls, stay. What do you think?
I think totally they should.
I think they totally should not.
Because if a gun shoots, then you should. I need to go
Oh, yeah.
get a shot.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think you got gun.